That's our first time as a married couple right there.
I know.
How about that?
It's so pretty out.
Ian, what are you doing, Ian?
You look
beautiful.
You look
Wow.
really, oh, I love that.
Preston Broncos already.
How freak is. You look so handsome.
beautiful.
And your face looks so good.
Thank you. They came up and we shook hands. They kissed me on the cheek.
Did they really?
Yeah. Every single one of them.
It was phenomenal.
And then they all dabbed. That was awesome.
Yeah, we all.
I wasn't close to crying. Really?
You weren't?
No.
Oh, I was pretty close all the time. We just got married.
Yeah! And we're looking at the mountains. It's pretty great.
You got that fresh look, long curves. You got my head turning time and again. You got that something I need. You got me thinking it's you I'm missing.
I, Cameron, take you, Sarah,
I, Cameron, take you, Sarah,
to be my wife.
to be my wife,
And I do promise and covenant to be your loving and faithful wife,
in plenty and in want,
In joy and in sorrow,
in joy and in sorrow,
in sickness and in health,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
You gotta give all you got for love. 'Cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love.
Cameron, you may kiss your bride.
For a moment, you give all you got, gotta give all you got for love. 'Cause you're here for a moment. You